If you thought house flipping was about slow progress, think again. Prepare for a roller coaster ride of revelations, where every nail counts and dreams get a makeover. Let's hop right into this special update. Do me a favor, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell before you leave. Don't forget, I will be posting every Monday and every Friday of every week, so stay tuned. Welcome back to my YouTube Talks, your backstage pass to transformation magic. Today, I'm thrilled to update you on the monumental strides we've made on my current project. Last time, I took you on a whirlwind tour through the whole house. This time, it's all about getting up close with the nitty-gritty progress details. So let's dive right into it. Here we are, the garage. Now it's snugger than a bug in a rug with our fancy new insulation. It's so cozy that the squirrels are probably thinking about moving in. But hey, at least they're not charging any rent, right? And there is the nice big stack of drywall, which will be installed very shortly. Moving outside, we've decked out half the house with new siding, sleek as a seal on a surfboard. It's the glow up of the decade, right? Redefining curb appeal just one board at a time. Now, as in any heroic journey, challenges are always abound. Whether it's materials that have gone AWOL, inspectors practicing the art of ghosting, or the weather more unpredictable than my uncle's poker face, obstacles are all a part of the flipping fun. So let me tell you, in construction, the motto is measure twice, cut once, and cry occasionally. All these hiccups, you ask? Well, they're like seasoning for a fine stew. Annoying but necessary for a well-flavored project. Remember, it's not just about flipping a house, it's about flipping your perspective. Next up, we have the great magnolia tree that once was. In memory of the great magnolia tree, may it rest in pieces, literally. It may have been dying, but, well, it's reborn as firewood probably now. As you can see, it's in several pieces everywhere. Yeah, that's where it was originally, right over here. Lots of branches, tons of branches, lots of brown branches. I think it was dying for sure. Yep, and there is exactly the spot where it was in the last video. Also, I want to let you in on a little secret. If there's trees close to the house, you want to try to remove them if possible, because the roots from that tree can cause damage to the foundation, and the branches can cause damage to the roof, and that can put a real dent in your project. Thanks so much for joining me, and don't forget to comment below if you've ever thought tree removal counts as cardio, and subscribe if siding gives you a warm, fuzzy feeling, kind of like the garage insulation. I will see you in my next video to your left.